Good evening and welcome back to Smart ER. And today I'm going to answer a couple of questions I've seen on a couple of forums from new owners of the Smart 453 range. That's the for 2 or the for 4. This is how you get in. You've got the two latches either side. Just pull it towards you or the centre of the front of the vehicle like so. And you can just lower the hatch down. Quite simple. If you have any other questions or queries, have a look at my YouTube channel. It's been going for about 9 years now, and there's quite a bit in there, so have a little route around. About 130 plus videos altogether. So this is what the bay looks like. In here, on the right hand side, you'll show you in a second, is the battery. If you get a lot of little anomalies or any weird alerts on your center console, it's normally your battery is playing up because they're quite sensitive. That's your coolant reservoir. This is your windscreen washer top-up area. And then to the left is the brake fluid reservoir. Sorry about the train going past, if you can hear it. It's all very snug in there, like I said, but all works really well. I use Prestone, Prestone. You can get it in on Amazon or any motor factors, for using as coolant. And there's a little filler level here as well, but all really rather straightforward. And like I said, any questions, pop it in the comment section. I've probably done a video on it already, but have a little look. Let me know what you think, anything you need me to have a look or go through if you're a new owner. All the best. Bye for now. Cup of tea time.